Hello and good afternoon. My name is Isabella Mester. I'll be going over question 3 for quiz 4, Computer Science 110. So just getting started, I want to make sure that we are importing our turtle module here, setting the screen size and the background color, and I named my turtle Alex, and this time my shape or my turtle is going to be blue. So just for background knowledge, I did already create function 1 and 2, which are going to be our helper functions, in order to create that rectangle here with an x in the middle. So what we want to do is we want to define our function for the x in the rectangle using the width, height, and size. And I created a doc string just to reiterate what I'm going to be doing, putting it into words, making it more clear. And then next I call my helper function from above. This is my first helper function up here, which is just the rectangle that starts at the or that goes back to the center. And then I call my other helper function, which is the one right here, and it's just going to make that x in the middle that we want. So here is so then I call my new function, which is the function here, and I have my turtle Alex, and I set the width to 80, height to 30, and size to 20. And once we call that, and I've already commented out all of the other call functions so we don't make like 50 at once, but I'm just going to run this here and show you what it looks like. So there it is. Notice how the turtle stays right in the center of the X, which is what we want, and we have the X touching the four sides. So that being said, that is pretty much that, and yeah, thank you.